Bitcoin now. Obviously, we did have a pretty substantial sell-off in Bitcoin, down 10% on the week. So we've actually retested the lows from from April of last year. Now, so far we've held above the low. So the low was 74,434, and so far we are having a pretty decent bounce from that level. So we're up like like $3,000. So far, it's a decent reaction, not an amazing reaction for sure. But what concerns me is that if we look at the weekly time frame here, we are trading below all of these moving averages, right? So that tells me, so that just tells me that we are getting a bearish cross here with the 21 crossing the 55. We lost 55. Even we lost the 89 isn't as important, but we've lost that one. I think the next logical target really for Bitcoin is going to be around $66,000, which would be targeting the highs from March of 2024. Yeah, and it's a 200 week. See us going as low as a 200 week moving average, which is coming in at around $58,123. And 1 second, guys. Okay. So Bitcoin so far, I think as long as 74.5K holds, we could be okay. But this level really does have to hold. If it doesn't hold, then we're going to be in major trouble. Let's see what else is going on here. Let's see. Okay. Let's see what else. Next, let's go actually to, I guess, Ethereum. Let me just check that really quickly. Okay. Let's go into Ethereum. Yeah. Actually, Ethereum Classic looks terrible. I'm not even gonna look at that one. Oh, guys, Zao. So gold. Let's go. Gold's having a nice bounce here, from 4,400 to 47,000. Just breaking the downtrend here. So let's see what happens on gold here. But this does seem like a blowout top for me on gold for sure. All right, let's look at ETH, see what we got going on there. And then we'll take a look at, so we're gonna look at the higher time frame. So Ethereum on the weekly time frame looks very bad. We're trading below the 200-day moving average. I mean the 200 weekly moving average, which it's not a good sign. We're below major moving averages. Let's see XRP, same thing. Trading below all major moving averages. Let's take a look at Solana here. Okay, let's get Solana. Where's Solana? Here's Solana. All right, so Solana on the weekly actually. Yeah, so Solana on the weekly, we actually did break below the 200 weekly SMA. So I think for Solana here, we need to get above 103. I mean, we pretty much tested $100 level, or the $95 level, which was the bottom of the April 2025 dump. Overall, this is not a good look. Not a good look for Solana, guys. Let's take a look at the top 50 cones and see if we got any good setups here. And let's go on to the 12-hour time frame and see if we got any good setups here on these cones. So far, I'm not seeing any good setups on these cones, but we'll see if any good setups do come up. Let's see. Let's see what else we got here. Guys, I mean, everything is quite oversold. I'm not seeing any good swing setups, that I tell you for sure. Guys, give me just 1 second here. We'll keep going. is working. I mean, hopefully it is. But yeah, no real swing setups for me here. Yeah, nothing, absolutely nothing, guys. Let's see. I mean, let's see what's happening in the equity markets. Hold on. It's basically a pan sell thing. Let's see what's happening with the US 500. I mean, the S&P doesn't look that bad. It's still bouncing off the 55 EMA on the daily. On the weekly, it's still on the uptrend on the weekly. Let's see, NASDAQ 100. Yeah, NAS 100 still looking good here. Guys, honestly, I don't. Let's take a look at some on-chain metrics. Let's look at CoinGlass. Guys, one alarming thing is that Bitcoin exchange balance has been on the rise. So we are seeing a slight uptick in Bitcoin exchange balance. That means At this point, institutions are no longer buying this dip. Oh my god. Forgot to share the test. So yeah, essentially we're seeing a small rise in Bitcoin exchange balance. So it means that institutions are not they're not really buying the dip. Yeah, we have over 12,000 Bitcoins that have moved on to exchanges in the past 7 days. That ain't too good, guys. I mean, I'm gonna have to leave and manage some of my trades. Looking bearish. I don't see a sign of a reversal right now, so I'm gonna end this here and trade safely, manage your risk wisely, guys. All right.